Intestinal obstruction is a significant issue that negatively impacts human health, causing serious harm to our social life. Therefore, we want to emphasize the importance of paying attention to what we eat, as it has a serious impact on our well-being. We often say that health comes first, but we don't pay attention to what we eat. In this video, we will talk about a food specifically for those experiencing intestinal problems. As always, the way we use this food is crucial, and we'll discuss its other benefits. Yes, plum, but let's talk about the dried ones. How should they be dried, and how should we use them? Let's find out the answers to these questions attentively. First of all, the benefits of dried plums. Protects the heart. Dried plums are rich in potassium. Potassium, a mineral that supports heart health, helps prevent the risk of heart attacks and regulates heart rhythm. In addition to maintaining heart health, dried plums also have appetite-suppressing and sugar-balancing properties, making them a satisfying and calorie-reducing snack, especially between meals. Natural effect on hair care. Dried plums are beneficial for hair health. You can address hair problems related to mineral deficiencies in the body with dried plums. To prevent dry and damaged-looking hair caused by iron deficiency, you can benefit from dried plums rich in iron by consuming them in moderation during tea time, thereby increasing the iron levels in your body. Regulates the digestive system. Similar to dried apricots, black dried plums facilitate digestion. Fiber, which is recommended by experts to be present in your diet, is abundant in dried plums. Additionally, the antioxidant substances in dried plums help cleanse the intestines easily. Clean intestines contribute to an overall sense of well-being. For those wondering if dried plums are good for constipation, we have good news. Yes, dried plums relieve constipation by cleaning the intestines. Therefore, especially during diet periods, you can improve your excretory system's health by taking advantage of this benefit of dried plums. Provides energy. Dried plums, with their high nutritional value containing vitamins such as vitamin K and potassium, provide energy to those who consume them. If you are going to have a busy and active day, you can consume a handful of dried plums. Benefits of dried plums during pregnancy. Its energy-boosting feature is among its important positive characteristics. Ideal for your health. Improves vision and prevents eye defects with vitamin A. To enhance your vision, you can consume dried plums. It should be remembered as an option that protects your eyes thanks to vitamin A to prevent eye diseases that may occur in old age. You can consume plenty of dried plums. Prevents cancer cells. The beta-carotene and antioxidant substances in dried plums prevent the settlement of cancer cells in the body. Dried plums, which protect against cell damage in every way, minimize the likelihood of developing cancer. Cleanses inflammations. Dried plums help cleanse inflammations that cause pain and disease in the body. Effective for oral and dental health, dried plums eliminate gum inflammation. It also minimizes the effects of inflammation in muscles and joints. Boosts antioxidant capacity. Dried plums with high antioxidant capacity fight against free radicals and protect our health. Unbalanced nutrition and environmental pollution can create chemical problems in our bodies. Antioxidants prevent potential damage. Strengthens bones. Dried plums strengthen the bone structure with the calcium they contain. Both delicious and low in calories, dried plums, when consumed as a snack, protect the skeletal system. Enhances skin beauty. Dried plums, with their skin benefits, reduce the formation of wrinkles. As a natural anti-aging snack, dried plums contribute to the improvement of skin appearance. The antioxidant properties of plums can slow down cell aging and, in some cases, reduce the risk of cancer. Dried plums contain special nutrients that can improve bone health. Research has shown that regular consumption of dried plums, especially in postmenopausal women, can help maintain bone density. Dried plums are rich in minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which strengthen bone structure. Dried plums have a low glycemic index, meaning they rapidly increase blood sugar levels. The slow and steady increase in blood sugar levels assists in diabetes management. Dried plums create a mucilage effect and can cause discomfort by excessively stimulating bowel movements when consumed in excess. Like all dried fruits, dried plums may contain pesticide residues. The consumption of non-organic products can have negative effects on health in the long term. Alright, how is plum dried then? The benefits of dried plums are quite numerous, and thanks to their flavors, the dried stage of this fruit, which comes at the forefront of winter preparations, is quite convenient. Plums with red or yellow hues should be thoroughly washed with plenty of water first. After the washing stage, they can be optionally separated from the pits or dried without separation. This process can be completed either through sun-drying or using an oven. Sun-drying, done in the summer months, covers a period of 1 or 2 weeks. The oven drying process is completed after 2 or 3 hours. The duration of the procedures may vary depending on the quantity, frequency, or size of the plums. Now, let's address a few frequently asked questions about plums. How much should green plums be eaten daily? For the benefits of green plums, consuming 1 portion a day is sufficient. 1 portion consists of 10 or 12 medium-sized plums. Does plum help with edema? Thanks to its potassium content, plum assists in reducing edema. During the edema reduction period, attention to dietary habits and exercises helps accelerate the process. Does plum burn fat? Plum, with its rich fiber content and vitamins, helps speed up metabolism. This property influences the fat-burning process. One of the benefits of plum directly affecting metabolism is helping meet energy needs and staying energetic throughout the day. We conclude our video here. Please, don't forget to like, share for the benefit of others, and subscribe to our channel by commenting. Wishing you all a healthy and happy life. Goodbye.